Namaste. Saluting the divinity in every one of you. Vigneshwaraya Varadaya Surapriyaya Lambodharaya Sakalaya Jagandhitaya Nagananaya Shruti Yajna Vibhushitaya Gauri Sutaya Gananatha Namo Namaste. The Hindu Society of Northeast Florida is welcoming you all for our grand annual Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations, which will be celebrated on the Friday 6th September. In the morning 9 to 10:30 Mahaganpati Havan, followed by Grand Ganesh Abhishek. In the evening 5:30 to 6 is the Young Generation Puja. 6 to 6:30 we are going to welcome Lord Ganesh Murthy to the temple with a grand procession. 6:30, 7:30, 8:30 is Sarvadarshan and Aratis. Ganesha is being worshipped for 9 days in the multipurpose hall in the evening, 6:30 to 7, followed by the temple Harati. After 9th day, Ganesh Nimajjan Mahotsav will be celebrated on Saturday, 14th of September in the evening. In the afternoon, 3 to 5:30, Ganapati Atharva Sirsha Sahasravriti will be recited in the worship room, followed by 6 to 6:30 is the cultural program, followed by Udyapan Puja, Aratiya, and then Nimajjanotsav. It is a very grand celebration this year. Please join the celebration. There are a lot of surprises also for us. But the temple committee, worship committee, the EB, and everybody is putting a lot of efforts for this one. We are growing. Please join the occasion and enjoy. The meaning of Lord Ganesha is happiness, prosperity. Hari Om. Thank you.